The Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to debut in January 2025, showcasing a fresh design with more rounded corners and softer edges. Alongside this aesthetic update, it will feature new software that complements the revamped look. The design enhancements also lead to an increase in screen size and a reduction in bezels. Recently, tipster Ice Universe provided insights comparing the S25 Ultra to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. According to these revelations, the new model will be slightly narrower while boasting a larger display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to measure 77.6 millimeters in width, a decrease from the S24 Ultra's 79 millimeters. Despite this reduction, the display width is projected to grow from 72.3 to 73 millimeters. This adjustment results in significantly slimmer side bezels, shrinking from 3.35 millimeters on the S24 Ultra to just 2.3 millimeters, marking a nearly 30% reduction. Furthermore, the S25 Ultra may feature symmetrical bezels on all sides, potentially leading to slimmer top and bottom bezels as well. With these modifications, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to sport a larger 6.86-inch display, an increase from the S24 Ultra's 6.79 inches. The combination of a bigger screen and narrower bezels promises a more immersive viewing experience. There are also indications that the S25 Ultra will have slightly rounded corners, enhancing comfort and providing a cohesive look across the Galaxy S25 series. Samsung appears to be focusing on harmonizing the design elements of its flagship lineup, including the camera arrangement, which could signify another step in that direction. This means consumers can expect a larger display within a more compact body, improving ergonomics and making it more comfortable to hold for extended periods. It's essential to keep in mind that the information we have is still speculative. While Ice Universe's insights are fascinating, they haven't been officially confirmed, and Samsung may alter some aspects before the official unveiling. Therefore, although the potential design changes are thrilling, they should be approached with a degree of caution. On the performance side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to come equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, which is set to be unveiled in October. This new processor is expected to deliver significant enhancements in both speed and efficiency, boosting the device's overall performance. As we draw closer to the launch date, we can expect more definitive information to emerge. For now, these initial leaks indicate that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could represent a major upgrade, potentially raising the bar in the smartphone industry. So, what are your thoughts on the new, slimmer bezels of this upcoming Galaxy device? Share your opinions in the comments below, and for more updates, be sure to check out our channel. Until next time, take care.